So now let's see how we can add CIE Itch Noise inside of GIMP. So in order to do that, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here and then go around onto noise. And over here you can see that CIE Itch Noise is an option. So once I go around over here, and if I were to zoom in, you can see that this is the type of noise you have. So not much colors right here. So if I were to go around onto dulling, then it dulls out the noise right here and makes it much more softer, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and then decrease this out, then the noise right here is much more harsh, as you can see right here. So you can go around and soften it out or make it much more harsher. You can go around and lighten it out right here, so you can make it more harsher right here with lighting, or you can make it more softer over here as well. Apart from that, you can go around, add in more color right here, just like this, or remove out the color and make the noise more black and white, as you can see right here. So chroma to add in a bit more color right here. Then you can go around and change around the hue as well. So if you're working with color, you can go around, change around the hue, and there's a bit of color noise that is added. You can go around and change around the seed right here to change around the noise according to how you want right here, just like this as well, and go for new seed as well. So apart from that, you can also go around and blend the noise out right here, so that you got this kind of an output, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can go around and replace as well. Then you can go around and work around with the opacity, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go for a preview. You can see the before and after over here as well. And you can see the split view to see the before and after by clicking and dragging just like this as well, just like this. And if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go around and apply the CIE Itch Noise inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.